So small. Whose dog is that?
It's their dog. Us.
Oh, really?
Hey, look at them.
The
dogs like that.
Air,
They look at
right?
They look at their own
It's
dog.
easy to use to this one, Air.
It has separation anxiety, you know.
Yeah, it's always
It
looking.
keeps looking back to make sure.
See,
there's
there's a
no-
boat. You can go to Granville Island from
Look
here.
at that one, hold on. So this is the dog being doing this to me, really? The dog being doing this to me.
Oh, this? That
Yeah.
mud?
The mud. Doing this to me. That's so cute. How dogs are so majestic.
I wanna try to scuba dive. Look at that under there, Ko. Looks nice, right?
Are they waving at me now?
No.
They're not waving.
Wait,
They're
where are
already
they
there.
going?
Oh, they're gonna go there.
Oh, you can pay. You can go here.
Mm-mm.
So from here, you can go all the way to.
I can record them.
Yeah, that goes to Granville Island. It says no pickups, no drop-offs, but there's. Where are they going? Where are they parking?